Well, there you have it. Our Philadelphia Eagles have lost in a disappointing fashion to the Tampa Bay Buccaneers in a blowout loss, 31 to 15. And that's just a tough way to watch your team go out, man. And first of all, I just want to say I'm proud of this team and how far they've come this season. Um, I didn't have us doing much this year. Um, in the off season, I had us only just winning like no more than 5 wins, and they exceeded my expectations, and they took it to just 4 wins last year to a 9-8 record this year and to clinch a playoff berth. Just to go out like that, it's you hate to see it, but we're a young team, and excuse me, but who's to say where our future lies ahead of us? We could be better from this or worse from this. Who knows? I think it's too early for that. Um, and if you were to ask me if this season has been a success, you know, based on what the events that transpired today, uh, I don't know. I wouldn't really base it like one pitiful loss. Um, if you really thought we were gonna win this game, I mean, you know, you need your head examined. It is what it is, man. I'm sorry. Brady and Gronk are a different breed in the playoffs, especially at home. Shit. But I'm not making this video about Brady, but um, yeah, this is a tough. It's a tough pill to swallow, and Hurts look rusted all game, made horrible, atrocious throws. Couldn't run the ball. We could barely get past the 50-yard line. Um, Jake Elliott didn't kick till the beginning of the game until we scored our first touchdown in the fourth quarter or whatever it was. And Devontae Smith having one catch the whole entire game. God, I really hope we don't waste this kid's potential here. But that's my biggest fear right now. And, could it be true? Only time will tell. And, Jalen Rager, I never wanted somebody off of my team as bad as this guy. Nelson Aguilar. Granted, he won us a Super Bowl, but his first couple of years were putrid. But holy shit, does this guy take the cake? I never, bought the hype with Jalen Rager and never drank the Kool-Aid. None of that. The guy was just he's another one of those standout college guys, and he just, never came to his full potential. He's only 2 years in, but I'm not expecting him to do anything much. Here, at least. Why he still returns punts, I would never understand. The guy just runs backwards. He had like one good punt return, and that was against the Giant game. And then he had a pretty good like punt return just today in garbage time. So that's like pretty much his whole highlight career, and that one like one hander in training camp. But that was all bullshit. That's not. No one cares about that. So the same goes for Arcega-Whiteside. Um, the kid is just a flat out bust, and he just it's easier said than done that they kept the wrong receiver over Travis Fulgham. I mean, okay, sure, he probably didn't work as hard than JJ, but the regular season's a different animal than a fucking practice. So, but what do I know? And as far as the defense goes, we got 3 sacks on Brady today. Hard to believe we got to Brady a couple of times, and yeah, what turned out, to be what the results have been at the end. Derek Barnett. This was most likely his last game as an Eagle. It better be his last game as an Eagle. That's another first round bust. Well, he's another one that had his moments in the beginning of his career. As everybody knows, that fumble recovery he got, recover that Brandon Graham strip sack on Brady in the Super Bowl. Derek Barnett is just a selfish bonehead. Makes stupid, dumb decisions. He went low at Brady's hip, but I didn't think that was too bad. I mean, he made a football move, and of course they call it roughing the passer. What's new there? But yeah, Derek Barnett's got to pack his shit and go, man. As far as Jonathan Gannon goes, first of all, I don't even know how the guy has a promotion to begin with, because from what I see, the guy's not even good at his own job. Like prevent vanilla soft ass defense, playing 10 yards off the line of scrimmage. It feels like Jim Schwartz never left. So, but yeah, Gannon's a fraudulent, idiot. And, I hope he gets hired by the Texans, Vikings, Broncos, wherever he goes. I just want him to fuck out of here. Period. And, yeah, and, did we deserve the playoffs? I'm not gonna get into all of that. What happened happened. We fought all year. We went 6-2 the last 8-9 games of the year. It's I appreciate the ambition and fight, but yeah, there's a lot of work to do in the off season, man. We got those 3 firsts to look at. If you ask me, I think we go all defense, and perhaps draft a power running back. In the second or third, somewhere around those lines, along those lines. I can't talk today, but So that's the way the cookie crumbles. And you know, Howie Roseman is going to show his true colors in the off season, in the draft. Don't expect to get anybody in free agency. You know, don't expect no big time name to come here. As nice as it would be to get maybe, you know, like a Tyler Lockett or someone like that. It's not happening. They're not gonna waste their time and career here, you know, because if you ask me, that's just career suicide. And not to mention that this coaching staff don't even know how to utilize their receivers to their strengths and their weaknesses. So I'm gonna leave it at that. And anyway, my rant's over. Dallas just scored. And they're celebrating, and they're down. Whatever. It's all good. They're gonna lose too. But yeah, thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next video. You know, I'm gonna try to be as active as I can over these next couple of months. You know, I don't plan on stopping anytime soon. I'm gonna keep going and going, and this we're just getting started here, man. I do want to make a couple more announcements too, that I plan on making my first live video sometime during this year. I don't have no timetable yet, but yeah, look out for that. And yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing how this channel grows, man, and what's gonna come. Pause. In the off season, who stays, who leaves as a Eagle, who we bring in the draft, who we sign in any other free agency, or even a Jeffrey Lurie press conference would be interesting to hear what he has to say, but probably it won't be much. Anyway, that's it. I'll catch you all in the future. Yeah. Thank you all for tuning in, and this is your boy Slayer out. You all enjoy your night, enjoy the playoffs. Alright, y'all. Take care.